Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy to have you back. If you're new, I highly welcome you to this channel where we make DIY skincare. Today we're making vitamin C and green tea facial cream. As we all know, summer is around the corner. We need to feed our skin with lots of antioxidants against sun damage and also protect our skin with sunscreen. Without wasting your time, let's get started. First step, you need to write your formula in percentage and then convert it into grams. Next thing you want to do is to clean your work area and then measure out your ingredients in grams. Here is my oil face. I use vegetals or Montanov 68 or cetearyl glucoside and cetearyl alcohol. You can decide to use any emulsifier you want. You can use any thickener you want, but this is what I'm using. For my water face, I use allantoin as a soothing agent, distilled water as solvent, green tea as antioxidant, gluconolactone as gentle exfoliator and chelator, hydroxy ethyl cellulose gum as my thickener. You can use xanthan gum or any gum you have. As for my actives, I use SAP, a vitamin C derivative, niacinamide, ferulic acid, and antioxidant, N-acetyl-glucosamine to boost the effectiveness of niacinamide. I use TRANEXAMIC to clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and melasma. Propanediol as solvent and humectant. Oats lipid E locks in moisture, soothes the skin, and it's anti-aging. Bakuchiol is anti-aging, calms the skin, even out the skin tone. Sweet orange essential oil for my fragrance. Vitamin E as antioxidant. Phenoxyethanol ethyl ethyl glycerin as my preservative. So guys, I'm gonna leave you to watch the rest of the video. Please watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment section below. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you guys. Bye.